day long, whether rain or shine. She's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosey the Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage, sitting up there on the fuselage. That little frail can do more than a mill can do. Rosey the Riveter. Rosey's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosey's protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production E, she was as proud as a girl